i-update ko kayo yung internet room nyo and then yung reading corner nyo. So just in case na makita na Mr. Tong na maraming active na TV reporter dito, malay nyo, pagandahin pa tong radio room nyo, di ba?
Padadala kayo sa Hong Kong. Ayaw nyo?
Say hi! Hello!
Hep hep! See? They are very active in here, huh?
Yes.
Very active pa ito.
Nakita naman, sir. So ano po yung mga, sa tingin...
Go ahead.
Okay, okay lang sir na kayo muna. Dito na lang, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to have a record of it all likewise. Okay. Go.
Sir, so ano po yung mga kailangan ng itong Kabuluan Elementary School, sir? Yung
Particularly dun sa mga radio activities.
Yes, sir.
We need yung internet connection.
Okay.
And bago, nakita mo naman yung,
Yes, sir.
yung ano tawag natin dyan, yung old vintage computer, and that was given by Telma some 10 years ago, and kita mo naman, it's your assessment na talagang ma-update na ito, no?
Yes.
And not only that, no, kailangan namin talaga yung internet connection because ang trend ngayon sa DepEd is lahat na ng mga documents natin, instead of manually printing it, is now through internet.
Okay.
So that's the main reason bakit kailangan namin yung connection sa internet, because we don't have to use the old typewriters na i-open lang yung computer, then ma-access na namin yung mga documents na kailangan namin, and that would be very nice for the school. It's not only Kabuluan Elementary School ang nangangailangan yan, lahat ng schools na. It's a nationwide trend sa Department of Education, and the provision of access to internet is very much necessary. And plus, kung may access ka na, yung units natin ma-update din. Okay? Okay, so that's it. So I hope the foundation, the CARE Foundation, would do everything the way it did the past na tumutulong sa mga schools dito sa Ballesteros District, and unahin na i-prioritize na natin ang Kabuluan natin. Prioritize ang Kabuluan Elementary School. And these are, Vener, nakita mo na ito yung mga future broadcasters natin, representing for 3 years na kaming naging Kabuluan ang representative ng Ballesteros District in division contests.
Wow.
Oh yeah. And ito,
how about your reading corner, sir?
yung reading corner, pupuntahan natin mamaya. Ang problem natin dun is mostly foreign kwan yung mga books eh. Ang interest ng mga pupils natin dito, alam mo na, gusto nila yung mga local settings. Anyway, there are times na ginagamit din nila yung mga aklat. Okay, so we have been using it. Formerly, meron kaming sariling room doon, and nung nagkaroon ng bad weather, nasira yung room, so we have to move it in another room. So we will be seeing it mamaya, yung room na where the books are. Hindi naman properly arranged na, pero it's in a safe place.
Okay, once again, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Kabuluan Elementary School.
Elementary School. Natalged ang Kabuluan Elementary School.
And then nakikita po natin ulit ang mga KD reporter ng Kabuluan Elementary School. At sabi nga ni Sir, napakagaling na mga KD reporter na ito na kung saan umabot pa sila hanggang district, sir?
Division contest.
Division contest ng radio broadcasting. Ayan, so say hi again. Hi! Ayan, so that's all, and salamat sa inyo lahat. Okay? Galingan nyo pa.
Thank you, and Natalged? That's our battle cry. Natalged ang Kabuluan Elementary School. Okay? Okay. So, we can make it more Natalged, meaning to say firm, with assistance coming from you. Please?
Yes, sir, we will.